instructions. So you made your visa application and then you realized that you made an error. Once you have submitted your visa application form, it is you will not be able to make corrections, if there was any errors. So if you follow the instructions on the government website, there's a helpline that you can contact them to find out what you need to do. But in most cases, like I had an instance where I thought I made an error in this case, because I later found out that it wasn't really an error. And then I had to reach out to them to find out if I could make any amendment after my visa application form was submitted. And then I was advised that the only way that could happen was that I had to withdraw. As long as I had not attended my biometrics, I could cancel that visa application. Now what that means is that I would be withdrawing that application form that I had completed, and then I would cancel the payment that I made, and they would make a refund to me. Now after they make the refund, then I can now go ahead and maybe complete a new form. But you must also understand that the refund takes within 28 days. You can get it earlier. I got my refund earlier, so I think mostly it would depend on your bank, but they would tell you to allow up to 28 days for the refund to reflect. If after 28 days you do not you haven't received it, yes, you can contact them. There's a phone number you can call, and you would find that phone number on the portal. I would also include it in the link in the description to this video, so you can go look at it. So if you made a mistake, the way to correct it would be to withdraw your application, request for a refund, complete a new visa application form, and then make payment, of course, after you have received your refund. Of course, if you have it, you can go ahead and make that payment, because if they have approved you, if your refund is approved, then you would get credited within 28 days. If you don't receive it within that time, yes, you can contact them and just lodge your complaint. It is important that before you apply, you find out what are the things you need to do to make sure you are successful. There is a video. You want to make sure that before you make that application, you watch this video, which is going to tell you everything you need to know, all the documents that you need to include to ensure that you're successful when you apply. So I hope this was useful. Follow the instructions here, and if you have any questions, leave your comments here and I would respond. So thank you very much for sticking with me. Have a good day. Bye.